I appreciate the Home Minister, the DGP, Goa Police for quickly apprehending the alleged accused. And I'm also happy that the matter has been handed over to Mr. PI CL Patel, because he's done a very good job in Mahanand case, and I'm expecting a better job from him in this case, so that there will be a deterrent to any criminal to enter into any city and commit this kind of offense. Now my demands are, I want an airtight investigation, free of interference, which is mandatory, a charge sheet without loopholes. Then only the ends of justice will be met, and this will act as a deterrent in the future. I'm requesting that this case be fast tracked, because justice should be here and now. It shouldn't wait for years. The second thing is, I want that the installation of or restoration of CCTV cameras all over the city. Clean the city of our make-believe beggars. I call them make-believe beggars because no one has verified whether they are genuine or not. They have crowded our city. Time and again we are saying, put them in shelter homes. We are not against beggars. Clean them, put them in shelter homes. There are several shelter homes run in the state of Goa, which are even funded by the government of Goa. And let's feed them. Now, strong measures have to be immediately taken to stop the entry of illegal arms, narcotics, trafficking, thereby reducing corruption in Goa.
That the immediate action should be taken on these criminals. Then the second thing I would also want to express is, I want that these kind of criminals should not be allowed in the state of Goa. We know Margao is a commercial capital of Goa, but this kind of trafficking of weapons, how do they come inside Goa? What happens? Why these pistols are just openly used? So these kind of things have to be minimized, and trafficking of this kind of weapons have to be taken care by the Home Ministry. I'm sure they will be taking action on this as well. And also, as a woman, I would want that we have that kind of safety and security, and also that nowadays everywhere, even if you go in a mall, there is a scanner where you can scan if you have any metallic thing. So maybe such kind of business entrepreneurs should have the facility of these kind of scanners.